Oh, here comes someone. Good morning. Hi, come on. See if they come and join. Look at the eyes. Always keeping an eye on us, which is fair enough. There we go. Good morning. Uh-oh. Careful. Play nice. So nearly a stare off then. Oh, hi Black Cat. Hope you're doing okay. It's just nice and quiet and calm this morning, the way we like it. Although this one feeding here is a mum, and up here is the baby, and unfortunately the baby's got the disease. So it's a tough one because she's still feeding it. So, but this one's not affected by it. Oh, good to hear, Black Cat. Thank you. See if we can get this a bit less shaky, but let's see. It's a little better. Don't give you much to work with on live, but we do our best. But last nice day before the rain comes. Yeah, I'm really happy. It's going to be a beautiful day. It's going to be hard to concentrate on work, but it's a good place to be. I think it's true. When the sun comes out, it helps your disposition. Always feel happier when the sun's out. And they're pretty happy today. You can see, I don't know if you can see, Barry's in the tree over here, waiting for his shot. And the king parrot's in the next tree, just whistling at us. Which is kind of cool. I think the last few leaves are here, ready to drop, because winter's around the corner. See, we've got some more seed for them. All right, let's see. Here we go. I know these guys are shy. Yeah, too shy. Come on. Okay. You can hear the pigeons in the background. They are so funny. It's a bit better. Well, it's great to have you on board, guys. I'm always out here whispering in the outdoors, but I think everybody else has gone to work and we can just enjoy these guys. Always wary with the crest, aren't they? Yeah, I love the pigeons. It's there's a little family here now, and the colours are amazing. Just didn't realise. Yeah, if you can see these guys here, you can see probably, but the colours on those wings are like a shell. You know, the colours in the shell, and red legs and red eyes. Oh, here we go. Getting in quick. All of a sudden, there are 2 of them, 3 of them. Wow. Quick. The poor cockatoo's just watching. Hi, guys. Careful. Yeah, on their wings they've got green and mauve. Amazing. Wow. All right, get some more seed. So we've got a little bit more here for these guys. So just hang tight. Hey Mark, welcome aboard. Yeah, these little pigeons, crested pigeons, we had 2. Oh, it's a bit hard to see, but now we've got 5 in the tree. So they don't take long to tell their friends to come over. Ah, someone new? Come on. There's one stomping right above me. They love to stomp. Yeah, nice work, Mark. Love to learn. Love to find out more about these guys. Now this is like having a shadow at the back. I think you nearly bit him on the tail then. These pidgeys have got pole position up here in the tree. Look here. Sorry. Look at that. As you can see. 5 sitting there ready to pounce, and then now 2 more up here. They don't muck around. Great share. Black cat, thank you. Someone's getting a bit excited above me, which is fine. I'm going to put the seat a bit closer. These two aren't regulars and they are shy. They're actually young ones. So. Somebody's off. They always love to make a noise when they go. Always rah, rah. They let you know when they go. Or not. Shh. Come around and see them. Oh, hello. Yeah, it's true, isn't it? I love a good scream now and then when you least expect it. Yeah, it's really serene now. It's nice setting actually. Hello. Here we go up here. And a bit of climbing. Good morning. Who's this? Nice shake to start the day. Get into the corn. They always do the corn last. So this one's grabbed corn straight away. That's interesting. And look, the claws are really black. So she's been out in the paddocks, probably eating the tree roots. Oh, competition. That was nice and polite. And that guy up in the tree watching. Pretty cool. So guys, thanks for being on today. Really appreciate it. If you have any questions, drop it in the chat. If you have, if you want to see something different, let us know. If you're on, give us a thumbs up or some emoji, and if you haven't subscribed, that'd be awesome as well. So I'd love to see you on. We'll get notified when we do uploads. Well, I knew you'd come down. Come on, make room. Whoa! Waited 10 minutes to do that. No real manners there. I know that, Pete. That's Clementine in the next tree. Good morning. All right, we'll see who's just these couple of guys about. And there's a Clemmy Peep, and she's all the way over here. Just keeping an eye on things. Yeah, this one's looking up a bit, so I wonder if someone's circling. Yeah, I can just hear them now. Just see who's behind us. They're up on the roof, so can't see it. Sorry, guys. It is windy. Ooh, it's not as cold as the last few mornings, so I'm pretty happy with that. Might have to put the washing out. This one, it won't go away. There you go. There goes Clemmy. Doing a bit of visiting down there. So it's quite unusual. We've got one by themselves. Very unusual. Ooh. There we go. Next one. Going over to the paddocks. Ah, a bit feisty, huh? Come on. She's going, where's my friends? She's going, where's everyone gone? Yeah, there she goes. Thanks for being on today, guys. Really appreciate it. Love all the comments. Thanks so much. I'm glad you enjoyed a bit of a snack with a couple of the locals. Have an awesome day or an awesome night wherever you are, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks, guys. Much appreciated. Bye. See you guys. Yeah, you too, Black Cat. See you then. Bye.